Hello students, my name is Liz Attier and today's topic is what is ethics? Okay, so in terms of a definition, what is ethics? The first thing that we need to be mindful of is that ethics is social. What does that mean? Well, it means it's about the way that we relate to our fellow human beings and our surroundings. It's about social relationships and dynamics between individuals and individuals with each other and their environment. So it happens within a context. It's also about how a person should live in relation to others. So it assumes a paradigm of, or a standard of what is good and what is right outside of what people actually do. It's about the art of being a fellow human being. What does that mean? Well, it's just really about actually understanding that it happens within the context of social relationships, and it's about the way that we actually relate to each other. It's also about kindness, respect for other people, communication, social relationships, and politics. So it does happen within a dynamic and within an environment of an overall context. Now, you might ask yourself the question, well, how is that different to morals? Aren't ethics and morals the same thing? Well, originally, both met custom and practice. So historically, they have originated from the same sources. But now, when we talk about ethics, we're talking about an overall standard that goes beyond the social norms of what's expected in particular situations. So whereas morality is about social norms, about what we're expected to do in certain or specific situations, ethics is about, in fact, what we do in response to those norms, what we actually do. Applied ethics is ethics in specific contexts, and I'd refer you to the textbook on page 1 for a working definition of what applied ethics is. It's about prescribed actions or policies in ethical situations commonly encountered in a particular profession. So clearly, in the context of what we're actually covering in this unit, we're talking about bioethics. We're talking about the biological sciences and medical practice. What are the ethical standards? What are the ethical considerations? What are the ethical issues within the health professions and the biological sciences? Thank you, students. That brings today's topic to an end.